So I'm Ben Young. I'm a project designer in the transportation division here at Stiffler McGraw Associates. We serve multiple municipalities in the central and western regions of Pennsylvania, and we provide engineering services to multiple clients through the region. So I think the number one obstacle we would face before we downloaded GeoSTORM software was just time. I think having to do a lot of it by hand as well as featuring aspects of other software just really slowed us down, and we felt like we weren't exactly achieving the productivity that we needed. I think after downloading the software, just having everything in one spot really made it a lot easier on us, really made our work more efficient and driven. I think that's helped us tremendously with output to clients. The one example of CivilGEO software really helping us out, we work on a grant app for one of our clients. This grant app featured 7 structure replacements. Each of those structures spanned over some sort of waterway. Therefore, we had to do stormwater calcs just to ensure that we were sizing the replacement structures adequately. And beforehand, having to do these just by hand or with aspects of other software, it would take a very long time. I think just having the software, once we figured out the bells and whistles to it, really made it a lot easier. I'd say we probably took us a quarter of the time that we had beforehand. So I think it definitely helped us in that regard, and we've been able to use it for multiple projects since then, and I think it's helped us tremendously. So my favorite feature of CivilGEO software is just having the DEM downloader on there ready for us to go. As I mentioned, not having to pull it from anywhere else really helps. Additionally, we were able to test multiple flow paths for more accurate time of concentration calculation. Delineating the sub-basins for us, I believe, also is just a tremendous time save and really helps us to be more accurate with our results. The technical support team has been fantastic. I've been in contact with multiple people from their organization, and it really does feel like we have one of their experts in-house with us and here just to guide us every step of the way, whether it be questions or if we want to reach out and give them a suggestion maybe on how to improve. They're always open to listen, and they've been really helpful. I'd absolutely recommend the software to other engineers or engineering firms. I think when you look across the reviews online, the number one constant between all of them is time saved. And I think that's invaluable in our professions, and I think it helps us tremendously.